Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Coding. In this video we are going to discuss how to reverse the string. Suppose if we have given any string like hello, so how to reverse it. So here what we have to do, we can convert in the character array and then we'll iterate from left to right and then will find the reverse the value. So suppose if this is the array, here we can see because we have the question, here we have given this hello and then we are getting the reverse of this array. So suppose here we have value L, L and O, and then we have to reverse it and then we'll get the value O, L, L, E and H. So we have to find the value. So let's see what is the concept behind it, how we can do it. Here we'll use the two pointer. We'll create two pointer. One is the left pointer. So we can say that our first index is the left pointer. We'll initialize it as a 0. We'll initialize value as a 0. And the right pointer, that will initialize as length of array -1. So because it's a 0 base index and due to that we have to initialize as a array dot length -1 and then we have to check. So here we have to check if left is less than right. Our loop will be execute till left is less than right, and then if this is correct, we swap the value. We swap from left value to right value. So here what we have to use, we have to create one temp variable. In the temp variable, we put our array of left value, and then in the array of left, we'll put our array of right, and array of right, we'll put our temp variable. So this is the logic of swapping. So here we have to use swapping and then we have to move our left and right, and in the end we have to increase our left pointer and then we have to decrease our right pointer. Using this approach, we'll get our array in a reverse order. So here we can see the complete logic. So first we initialize the array and then we'll set the left equal to 0, right equal to length -1, and we have to define one while loop. In while loop, we have to check if left less than right. If this is the condition true, we swap the value. So we have to use this logic and we'll swap the value. And if it is left is not less than right, means our complete array is swapped, and then we have to end our loop and we'll get the reverse array. And here it's given the logic temp equal to s left and then s left equal to s right and s left equal to temp, and then here we are increasing the left plus plus and decreasing right minus minus. So let me write the code. Here we already have given this char array. What we have to do, let me define left pointer and right pointer s dot length minus 1, and here we are going to create one while loop, and this is the condition. Our loop will be executed till left will be less than right. And now here we are defining char temp, and what we have to do, yes dot yes left value, and then yes left with a sign, yes right, and in the end we'll define yes right equal to 10, and then we have to increase left plus plus and right minus minus. So in the same array it will be reverse, so we don't have to create additional array here. So complexity will be the O of n, and space complexity will be O of 1, because we are not creating any additional array here. And let me compile this code, and here we can see all the test case is passed, and let me submit. But this is also it will be passed. Wait for some time because it seems some issue. So here this is also passed, and let me explain if any doubt how to, what is the process of doing this. So what is happening here, it's swapping this value. So in the iteration 1, O will come here, and then it will be E, then L, then L, and it is going here like that. So in the second iteration, O will be here. So this is the process, and E will be swapped. E will be swapped. So L will be come here, and L here is already available, and then E will be come from this place here to here, and H is already sorted, and now it will be left less than right. The condition will be false, and our loop will be sorted. So this is a simple concept for reversing the array using the two pointer technique. I hope you like this video, and if you have any doubt, please ask question, or you can provide it in your comment section, and then I'll try to reply. And thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video.